What's up, YouTube? It's Paul with Washington Pro Carpet Cleaning. You're here for another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. In today's episode, we've got 4 bedrooms. Get some lights on down here. 2 of the bedrooms are the 2 downstairs. We have a staircase and a landing and 2 more bedrooms upstairs, as well as a split master closet. And it's this all nylon, it's actually a low cut pile. You could see I've got some solution in the tank left over from already completing upstairs. I chose to shower feed today with the 175 rotary. This is a beautiful home. It's on Suquamish, which is about 10 minutes away from my home. Suquamish is kind of the backside of Bainbridge Island. So you can head out that direction, and just behind that coverage there, you can see Seattle. Lots of nice, beautiful homes. A lot of these homes are furnished vacation rentals, as is this one. However, the last tenant was there for a year. And here's the staircase. They were pretty light on the carpets, I would say. Not too much soil. It's not heavily soiled. So I'm choosing to do just the one step. But look at this Iron Man pad. Okay, and what I'm using up here, it's not as black as it normally would be because I'm using simple end cap. And I'm using Go Oxy, which is a 15% peroxide. So the peroxide added to the solution will actually bleach out the soil and in turn show less soil on the pad. But here you could see everything came out beautiful. I'll show you the final results once I use my brush. I did find my other triangle brush, which is just a simple deck brush. And that's what I'll be using today. Just from here, all the way around the bed. Another beautiful view from upstairs. All right, and then the split closet. And a lot of guys that want to start carpet cleaning have asked me questions, which is fine. I'm not a mentor or a trainer. I don't have any courses or anything, but I'm happy to answer 1 or 2 questions in the comments, as well as my loyal subscribers. A lot of them are veteran cleaners. They're willing to answer questions as well. There's my 2.5 gallon jug that I use and my pad driver. And I just pour in the solution into the tank and then shower feed as I go. I'll show you some of the work here as best as I can. But anyway, for those of you that want to get into the business, I would encourage you to take the steps to get into business. Don't rush. And a lot of you ask me, well, how come you use the Auric and then you use the Mighty and then you use the Koblenz and then you use this 175, but then you don't like this 175 because you said it's from eBay. You had to modify the wheels and on and on and on. What I do is I'm pretty random as far as choosing what I'm using. Right now on my truck is the 175. I have been doing jobs not on camera where I've been practicing and learning the art of shower feeding. I do a 2 method. Sometimes I'll shower feed with the brush first, pre-agitate or shampoo. Then I'll follow up with either a microfiber pad, an Ironman pad, a Zinger pad, whatever I decide. And so when you get into the business, you're going to have lots of choices. You may not have lots of choices. You might start out with just the Auric Orbiter and grow from there. Just use the right products. That way you don't have to worry about damaging folks' carpets or wondering if you could have done it better or if it's going to wick back or look bad after it dries. Those are the only things I could share with you. Is, Tommy at Green Dragon, or Tommy at Green Rhino uses Carpet Details. very similar to what I use, Green Dragon. Both great products. Robin at OxyDry uses Nanomax and some other stuff from Bonnet Pro. Excellent products. Dilution ratio, excellent. So, just choose professional products and do what you got to do. Learn from the videos. Don't get on here and ask us questions that, were already answered in the video. Like some people will say, wow, nice job. What did you use for your solution? Well, if you watched the video, I told you a few minutes ago. Simple Encap, followed with, actually boosted with Go Oxy, which is the peroxide. So, anyway, just be diligent, do your homework, Google starting a business. There's a whole lot to it other than just carpet cleaning. You have to understand your bookkeeping, accounting, taxes, advertising, SEO. Tommy at the Green Rhino does offer a course. I think it's only $299. And if you could pick somebody's brain who has come from the beginning and now is successful as he is, you could tell from his videos. He's doing outstanding. If that guy was willing to dump his brain on your doorstep for $299, that's a steal. Trust me, I've been in business for 28 years, and I'm still trying to share knowledge as best I can bit by bit. So, and I'm not advertising for Tommy, I'm just trying to help you guys out, or you girls out, that want to get into the business. Now, the only thing I got to say about the business is, it's not about winning or losing. It's about showing up. And that's it. You got to put your first foot forward. You got to show up. If you're in a boxing match, win or lose, you're a hero if you show up. And you might win. You don't have any chance of winning if you don't show up. So just take that to heart. And the other thing that I'll say is, we all fall. It wasn't easy in the beginning for me. It probably wasn't easy for Robin or Tommy or, any of those people. Truman Steamers, Courtney, there's tons of them. Miles, his dad at Advanced Carpet Cleaning. It's not just handed to you in a gift package. Here you go and you're successful. You got to go out. You're going to do trial and error. You're going to learn. You're going to grow. You may take courses. You're going to lose money. You're going to make money. You're going to switch equipments. You're going to try different methods. It's all part of the growing process. So the only other bit of motivation I'd give you here is, if you're going to fall forward. And what do I mean by that? I mean, if you fall forward, learn from it, move forward. Don't let it stop you. Don't fall backwards. Go back to your old job and quit. Listen to your mom and your dad. Oh, you're a worthless piece. We knew you would fail. None of that matters. And you just got to get started. And if I can motivate some people through these videos, I'm grateful that I've touched somebody and you have the opportunity to improve your life. Now, carpet cleaning is not for everybody. And, back to those naysayers, even if it is your mom, your dad, your wife, your husband, your girlfriend, your neighbor, everybody feels better when they can see somebody else fail. See, it didn't work. I knew it. Stuff like that. But guys and gals, in the end, here's what's going to happen. They're either going to burn your body up or they're going to bury it. Period. And after a few years of grieving from the ones that love you, or family, or immediate children, you're gone. And slowly the memory will slip away. And at that point, nobody is going to mock you. Nobody's going to say, oh, you're a loser. It doesn't matter. So why not Step up to the plate. If you're trying to start a carpet cleaning business, go for it. You can do it. Just don't get overwhelmed and use the tools that are out there, and only the tools that are out there that are trustable from good, honest people. There's people that are out there trying to make a living just selling courses. Tommy's doing the business every day. So check him out at Green Rhino here on YouTube. I appreciate you watching another video. Sorry to fill you up with all my points of interest. I'll see you in the next one.